Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can spawn vehicles and how you can also remove them from an area in Heartopia so it doesn't get in the way of anyone or anything. So to spawn vehicles, you're just going to press this button or X on your keyboard. And if you want to remove it out of your set, you're just going to press your toolbox here and press this button. You can also um, long press the car button to spawn a different vehicle. So for instance, you wanted to spawn this one, you can then press driving. If you want to make, for instance, this vehicle your default, so whenever you press X, that vehicle comes up, you can just, hold on, you can just press this and then press this again and then press default. So whenever you press X, it's this vehicle instead. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.